In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Analytics in Firebase. Let's dive in and break this down into easy, manageable steps. First, we're going to head over to the Google Analytics main page. This is your central hub, where all the magic happens when tracking and analyzing data from your apps. To find it, search for Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business, Google Analytics, in your preferred browser, or use the link in the description below if you're watching this on a platform that supports it. Once you're on the Google Analytics website, the next step is signing into your account. You'll find the Sign into Analytics button prominently displayed. Click on it and enter your login credentials to proceed. Signing in ensures you have access to all the tools and options you need to set up analytics for your Firebase app. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Google Analytics home. This is essentially your dashboard where you monitor all the insights from your application. Take a moment to explore this if you're new to Google Analytics. It's packed full of valuable information that can really make a difference in understanding your app's data. Now let's take this further by heading into the settings. You can find the settings option under the admin section, which is typically located in the lower left corner of Google Analytics. This is where you can manage accounts, properties, and all other settings related to analytics. Within the settings, look for the option that says Data Streams and click on it. Data streams allow you to track the flow of data from your applications into Google Analytics. It's essential for capturing the kind of data that you're interested in analyzing, such as user behavior and app performance. Now it's time to add a new stream. You'll see an Add Stream button which you should click on to create a data stream. When prompted, select iOS app as your stream type since we're focusing on Firebase integration with iOS apps today. This selection is crucial for ensuring that Google Analytics collects data specific to your iOS application's users. Finally, we will set up your mobile app stream through Firebase. There should be a prompt or button that says set up your mobile app stream through Firebase. So go ahead and click on that. Integrating with Firebase not only simplifies the setup process, but also enhances your ability to manage app analytics seamlessly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled Google Analytics for your Firebase app. Take some time to let everything sync up, and soon you'll start seeing data being populated in your Google Analytics dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of integrating Google Analytics with Firebase.